If you need to do some hand sewing, doesn't even matter if it's denim, and you hate doing the hand sewing because the thread always gets knotted, just take a drop of moisturizing lotion, dab that on your wrist, and then grab the knotted end and just roll the thread through your fingers until there isn't too much left. Then grab another little dab, go back to where you left off, roll the thread through your fingers, and I think I'll do another dab, one more, and roll it all the way through to the end. I'm not going to let it get on the needle because I don't want the needle to slip. Alright, that's good. Now, as I stitch, I don't really have to worry about the thread getting knotted because it has a pretty good amount of lube on it from that moisturizer. I went a little too heavy there, but you'll see. No knots. Makes sewing buttons a lot easier when you don't have the aggravation of the thread knotting up. And everybody always has some kind of moisturizer on hand. I don't even think it matters. Starting to wonder if a bar of regular soap would work too. But try the moisturizer and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Voila.